Hello everyone, welcome to iRevolution 4.0. There is no doubt the main barrier for the popularity of electric vehicles in India is very low number of public charging stations installed. As of now, 970 government funded public EV charging stations installed in India so far. India require about 4 lakh number of electric vehicle chargers for its 2 million electric vehicles by 2021. In a bid to tackle this, the Indian government has made EV charging station business applicable for all individuals without requiring any complicated qualification criteria. It is a huge industry still not explored very much. So if you are thinking to start your business in electric vehicle charging station, we are here with a list of EV charger manufacturers in India. Delta Electronics India. Delta Electronics has been working since the last 40 years in power electronics technology domain. Delta Electronics is one of the most popular brand in inverter and most recently in the EV charging station domain. Delta Electronics India delivers energy efficient EV charging solutions including AC slow chargers, DC fast chargers and site management system. This Delta Electronics chargers are very efficient and the efficiency level can reach up to 94%. These chargers are certified by globally safety standards like UL, IEC, SHADEMO, CQC and CNS. These EV charging solutions are able to fulfill the needs for various applications such as home charging, commercial charging and as well as public charging station. They have a huge customer base and if you are looking to work with a renowned brand, Delta could be a good option for you. The next one is P2 Solution. P2 Solution is also working towards EV charger manufacturing segment in India. This company established by a group of IITians and faculty members. P2 Power Solution was established in 2006 in the R&D lab of IIT Kharagpur. With over 15 years of experience, P2 Solution stayed true to their mission to delivering cutting-edge and innovative solutions to the customers that help them meet their respective objectives. They are offering Bharat AC 001, Bharat DC 001, Type 2 AC charger, CCS, SHADEMO and combo charger with an output of 60 kW CCS, 60 kW SHADEMO plus 22 kW Type 2 AC, a total load of 142 kW. The charger is compatible with CCS and SHADEMO connector and IEC 62196 Type 2 connector. Exicom Telesystem. The Exicom Telesystem is situated in Gurgaon. This company has an expertise in designing, engineering, manufacturing, efficient, reliable and cost-effective power and energy solution for electric vehicles, information technology, telecom and renewable energy sector. They are one of the pioneer company in electric vehicle charging station in India. Their mission is to make emission-free electric mobility accessible to everyone and everywhere. They provide full range of charging solution which includes AC, high and low level DC fast chargers and portable chargers which are specially designed to cater the need of all categories of vehicle. They are also working towards indigenous lithium-ion battery pack for mainly two-wheeler and three-wheelers in India. They are also providing battery management system and telematics. Fortum. Since the 1998, Fortum is working towards automotive electrification projects in many forms. They are working under the Charge and Drive brand name. It was founded in Finland. Fortum launched its operation in India in September 2012. Fortum focuses on all its operation on sustainability, environment and society. They provide solution for electric vehicle charging, for utilities, CPOs, EMPs, OEMs as well as office charging system and fleet management system. They have already set up 11 DC rapid charging stations that are CCS and Shademo chargers spread across primary locations in cities like Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Ahmedabad, and also established a chain of DC001 charging points spread across 38 prime locations in Hyderabad. The next company is Tata Power. From T2 Auto Parts, this company is serving the nation. In automotive market, Tata Motors is one of the best company. Recently, they have launched several electric cars like Nexon EV, Tata Tigor EV, Altroz EV, etc. They have also developing charging station network all across India. Tata's electric vehicle charging network covers an area of 9 states including Delhi, Hyderabad and Mumbai, with about 300 number of charging points across 40 Indian cities including Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Kolkata and Visakhapatnam. Tata Power is looking forward to creating infrastructure for slow charging as well as public charging stations, facilities like at metro station, railway station, shopping malls, movie theaters and the national highways. In conclusion, we can say that many big companies are jumping onto this EV charging related market. Right now in India, many small startups also doing some great work in EV charging related field. In the next video, I'll come with a list of these startups. Keep supporting us. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.